Python. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the magnitude and phase of a complex number. These calculations are very simple. Suppose we have a complex number 5 plus 6j. Here, 5 is the real part of the complex number and 6 is the imaginary part. To calculate the magnitude of this complex number, you take the square root of the sum of the squares of the real and imaginary parts. That is 5 squared plus 6 squared, which gives the square root of 61, approximately 7.81. So the magnitude of the complex number 5 plus 6j is 7.81. Next, the angle of this complex number with the positive real axis, also called the phase, is calculated using the inverse tangent. The formula is the tangent inverse of the imaginary part divided by the real part. In this case, the imaginary part is 6 and the real part is 5. Dividing 6 by 5 and taking the tangent inverse gives approximately 50.19 degrees. These are the simple methods for calculating the magnitude and phase of a complex number. In the next video, we will learn how to calculate these values using Python.